So what's been bugging me is the CRF110 faster than the Honda Fat Cat, and can Alex even start this thing? No one really knows. Should we go get Drew?
Got this. We should go get Drew. Welcome back.
Fat Cat time.
Alright,
He still can't start it.
okay.
Alright.
I'll go start it.
Nope, no slippers. Oh, he got it. Dude, you had it for a second. Hold the choke out. Does it not want choke or what?
You want me to do it, Alex? I'm fucking determined now.
Just hold the throttle just a little bit. Just a little bit.
You got the door for us? Thank you.
Good man.
It doesn't go out the door as good as that does.
It's only a little bit bigger.
Only a little.
What do you think? Which one's gonna win?
That one.
You think so?
Yeah.
You've ridden them both. You would
I
know.
don't know.
So should we do a follow-up video on how mint this thing looks now?
We
What it was?
we probably should, but I mean, let's do a quick little.
Actually, my wind is pretty quirky.
So in today's video, we're just gonna drag race. We're gonna do a follow-up video of how awesome this thing is now compared to what it was. I'll insert a clip of how it did look. It was pretty bad.
It's fine. This one might be. It was.
This thing is, it's not perfect, guys. Like, it's not perfect. Anybody has some mint seat foam out there in the YouTube land, let us know.
Please, we need another seat for this thing.
But from what it was, powder coating, elbow grease, she moved.
She looks fantastic.
Just race up in the front here. Sure. Little drag race action. We're going to stand. We'll start.
I'll say start on that end and right here.
Just walk that way.
You don't end.
Well, right there. Yeah. Dude, I'm impressed with this. Not the camo edition anymore. No more spray paint.
No more spray
Doing all
paint.
your handiwork, getting this plastic all minted out.
That was a process wet sanding that.
I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not cracked either. Everything's there.
Hey, it looks good on camera.
So we got a 2022 CRF110, 1987 Fat Cat, big old tires. This thing's completely stock. That thing's also stock. Let's see
So,
better than the tires.
so 110 versus 200. All right, let's do it.
All right, Alex, start walking that way. See that sign right there? Throw it right first, and then we'll just roll into it.
I'm so seeing you guys in like 450s and 250R two-strokes just fly past the camera. It's all.
Just slow-mo today.
This thing's actually, once you get it up in the revs, it's pretty good.
It's a ripper, man.
Yeah. You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try it.
Yeah, I'll take one.
I have no idea. Definitely feels like 1987 when that thing's sweet.
It's not as bad as the ATC trike, is
Honestly,
it?
the tires, because they're so beefy, it takes a little bit of the suspension action away. They're just stiff. But break them in. Not on the pavement, obviously.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright. Well, we'll do a follow-up video on this guy right here, probably tomorrow. Go from there. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. We're just out having fun.
You want to ride back, Alex? Let's go.
Nut to butt?
Yeah, video it.
We'll go. I want to take a left. We'll go through the
Video
parking
you
lot.
guys.
Start recording.
You guys are so cute. Almost died over here. That was a much needed 5-minute break from the world.
Alex, how does it feel to go that fast on a 110?
That was sketchy.
Oh man. Well, we'll put gas in this bad boy next time, right? Yeah. Get her all minted out. Cool. On to the next one.
On to the next one.